guys, we're going to be doing a makeup haul today. Come, let's unbox this whole product together, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. Ah, oh my god, I love this. I have here the anti-dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. This is the Oga of the Ogadem, you know. Then this is the Power Melts glass setting spray. I love this so much. Oh, good. And this is it. I love it so much. So I got them in two pieces. So I also got the NARS foundation, 3 of them. I got the Morel, Macau, and the New Caledonia. So let me show you what they look like. So this is the NARS, the Macau. Now this is the New Caledonia, and this one here is the Morel. So this is the NARS, the Macau. Now this is the New Caledonia, and this one here is the Morel. I love NARS foundation so much. So I also got the Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. I got 2 shades. I got gingerbread and Macau. Mocha, not Macau, mocha. So this, and inside it I have this tester primer, Easy Blur primer. I can't wait to try this so that when I'm getting it I already have a full knowledge of what it looks like. So this is the foundation, and this is the other foundation. This is the mocha. So the next thing I got is the Tilbury products. I got 3 different things from Tilbury, and one of them is the powder in the shade 3. My own is almost finishing, so I got a new one. This is the particular shade I love so much. I love this shade so much. See, so beautiful. It's so versatile. This foundation, this particular shade 9 warm for my fair girlies. Spray as well. I also got this particular blush. Oh my god, I have loved this blush so much. I got them in 2 shades. I got them in What and Joy. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to create amazing looks with those products. And you know, if you are my customer, you know I treat you exceptional. I got all these beautiful goodies for my customer, my Odogu customer. Oh my god! I got this glow stick from Chanel. Oh. See this. This one, it hits differently. It does. This YSM blush, I got 2 shades. I got 2 shades. So let me show you the shade I got. I got 2 shades. So I got this particular shade. This is the shade 44. And see how beautiful it is. And I also got the second one is this is 87. And tell me why you will not love this. Tell me why. One size setting powder in the shade Sweet Honey. Yes. Oh my god, these are endless. I'm so happy. I was able to stock on my favorite products that's are almost finishing, and the ones that are not even finishing, I just like to buy them. I also got this this product from Sephora. It's a face mask. I'm going to try this one on myself and see what it looks like. And I got a goodie from Sephora, this and this. Sephora micellar water and Sephora glow brightening serum, super brightening serum. I got this from Sephora. So guys, oh yeah, send the bookie in. and let's use this product to do some beautiful magic on you. Yes! Hope you enjoy this makeup haul, and I'm coming back with full force. Like with full force. Just stick on my page and you enjoy every bit of it. Bye bye, guys. I love you. Mwah.